The glory of the Han Dynasty shines with renowned beauty, leading the peony among all flowers in China. Located in the Circular Economy Park in Baixiang County, Xingtai, there is a high-tech enterprise that integrates R&D, production and sales. It is called Baojia New Building Materials Company Limited. Build a strong foundation to reach new heights, strengthen wings of enterprise. Baojia Building Materials was established in 2013. The company covers an area of 100 acres and has invested 200 million RMB. Currently, we have a workforce of 200 employees, including over 40 technical personnel and 12 highly skilled technicians. 2014. We were listed as one of the top 100 enterprises in Baixiang County, ushering in a flourishing development and embracing a broader and more promising future. 2015. We established a collaborative research base for cellulose chemistry with Hubei University of Science and Technology, achieving synergistic innovation and win-win cooperation. 2017. In order to give back to society, we actively participated in social welfare activities and established a charity department. We set up the Filial Piety Fund and Education Fund, continuously making donations to social welfare institutions and showing care and support to the elderly in the community. 2018. In order to better serve our customers, we established the Cellulose Application Technology Department, dedicated to addressing various challenges and issues encountered by end customers during the application process. 2019. We successfully completed the merger of Baojia and Gongli with an annual production capacity exceeding 30,000 tons. Our production capacity and market share achieved a significant leap forward. 2020. We established offices in Zhengzhou, Hefei, and Zhangjiakou, further expanding our business coverage and market influence. 2022. The Baojia Operations Center, which was built with an investment of 10 million RMB, was officially inaugurated. Additionally, we established a branch office in Shijiazhuang, focusing on expanding our foreign trade business and exploring new market opportunities. The company mainly produces a range of products including Han Peony brand, Hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, HPMC, Hydroxyethyl cellulose, HEC, Hydroxypropyl starch ether, HPS, Methyl hydroxyethyl cellulose, MHEC, Polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, Redispersible latex powder, RDP, etc. Han Penoy hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose, HPMC, is an anionic surfactant with high water retention, thickening, and lubricating properties. It possesses core patents and can be applied in various industries such as construction, textiles, petroleum, daily chemicals, food, and pharmaceuticals. Polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, is known for its excellent stability and is commonly used as a mortar additive and wall adhesive. Redispersible latex powder, RDP, has the advantages of low impurities in the finished product, good flowability, excellent dispersibility, and strong bonding force. It is commonly used in exterior wall insulation rendering mortar, exterior wall flexible putty powder, and other applications. Adhering to the corporate tenet of survive on quality, develop with reputation, Baojia Building Materials is fully committed to building a more professional cellulose production base in the northern region of China. With an investment of 150 million RMB, we have introduced advanced production equipment from Germany, including 8 sets of 15 cubic meter horizontal reactors and 8 fully automated production lines for hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. Our annual production capacity exceeds 30,000 tons of HPMC and 25,000 tons of redispersible latex powder, RDP. These investments serve as the driving force and potential for our high-quality development. Stay true to our original intentions, forge the soul of enterprise. From raw materials to products, we focus on every detail. From pre-sales to after-sales, we pay close attention to every subtle need. Baojia Building Materials provides free commitment service to every customer. Ensure peace of mind, save customers' worries, and allow customers to feel at ease. We strictly implement the 3 checks policy to strengthen quality control throughout the entire process. The first check is the raw material check. Our company procures raw materials from central enterprises, such as Lushi Chemical. Technical personnel conduct random inspections and testing when the materials arrive. The second check is the production check. Finished products undergo 3 rounds of inspection. random sampling at the intermediate warehouse for cellulose products, testing during packaging, and testing before shipment to customers. The third check is the product retention. Every batch of products delivered to customers is archived and retained as samples for over 1 year. Regular sample retention checks are conducted to ensure compliance with customer standards. Expand and strive for excellence. Pursue the dreams of enterprise. With the wind in our sails and boundless horizons, Baojia Building Materials, as a technology-driven chemical enterprise with strong production capacity, has expanded its product coverage to all provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China. Furthermore, our products have been exported to over many countries and regions, including Southeast Asia, Europe, and South America. In the process of rapid development, Baojia Building Materials always pays attention to the welfare of society. We visit nursing homes to offer comfort and support, and in the face of disasters, we take swift action and proactively fulfill our social responsibilities. The vast journey extends beyond this, and the magnificent chapter is yet to be written. In the future, the Baojia team will continue to forge ahead with an unwavering determination, working diligently to contribute even greater efforts towards the flourishing of a green and low-carbon economy.